Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Brooklyn Center, MN, Minneapolis. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This Brooklyn Center Motel is located 15 minutes north of downtown Minneapolis in the Hubert Humphrey Metrodome. It offers on-site laundry facilities, free parking and spacious rooms. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Motel 6 Minneapolis-Brooklyn Center offer a work desk, cable TV with extended channels and a private bathroom in every room. Free local calls are included. Islands of Peace Regional Park and the Minneapolis Sculpture Garden are a 10-minute drive from this Brooklyn Center Motel 6. The Minneapolis Convention Center is only 15 minutes away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.